Hey everyone, welcome back to Adorama TV. My name is Julian, and today I'm going to be showing you a bunch of creative ways where you can use these new 2.4 GHz creator kits. And you can do so much with them. The transmitters are so small, and it just opens up all sorts of possibilities. This one is from Sennheiser, and it's the brand new Profile Wireless. A couple unique things about this one in particular: you can use the whole charging bar as a handheld microphone for interviews at a trade show or sort of man on the street style stuff. As you open up the charging bar, it has all of these connectors that allow you to connect the receiver to not only a mirrorless camera like this one, but also a phone and even a laptop. Finally, with these Profile Wireless transmitters, not only do they work as microphones themselves, but they even have lavalier threads here, so you can use them as traditional transmitter packs for your lavalier microphones. Even though these are really small, you can still use them in a professional sense, and they are so versatile. We can use them for audio capture in professional talking head or documentary interview settings. They can be used for mobile talking head or walk-in talks. They're great for podcasts or two-person conversations. Profile Wireless in particular is great for man-on-the-street style interviews because the charging bar can be turned into a handheld microphone. Finally, being so small, it allows you to use them in super creative ways. You can carry them anywhere and capture Foley. You can put them on tables or in plants, and you can hide them, allowing you to capture sounds you didn't think were possible. First, we have the talking head interview. Of course, you're going to put your microphone transmitter on your talent, and you're going to put the receiver on your camera. Again, you could use this on a phone too. What's cool about this system is that it even has a headphone out for super accurate monitoring. Remember, always monitor your audio. Just like most audio recording, you want to dial in your camera's preamps so the audio recording level is somewhere between -24 and -12 dB. As far as microphone placement, a safe bet is always just above the sternum. What's cool about these packs is they have magnet options and clip-ons for your shirt. And again, the Sennheiser Profile Wireless has the threads on top for the lav. So if I really wanted to, I could hide a lav inside of a shirt. So these are great for walk-in talks. They're wireless. We've got the transmitter, the receiver. Today I'm on an iPhone, tomorrow I could be using a mirrorless camera. So the new Sennheiser Profile Wireless can also act as a handheld mic using the transmitter microphones inside of the charging bar. Add this pop filter and you can use it as a handheld microphone. Tell me why you love photography.
I love photography because
finally, what's so amazing about these little guys is you can bring them anywhere. This one in particular records internally and capture all sorts of Foley or cool sound design. I can place this in a plant or on a desk like this. Nobody really even notices that it's there. I can even hide it back here, and it can just record all day long. You can either get dialogue or sounds from the board here. I hope this video gave you some insight and some confidence into creatively using these new 2.4 GHz systems. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer every single one of them. Thanks for joining us today, and I'll see you in the next one.